In this video, I'm going to show you how to add logo showcase in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to focus on the right hand side of the screen here, which is where you will find the tools section. If you go halfway down, you will see a logo showcase right here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the logo showcase widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then on the left hand side here, you will see a bunch of different logo showcase templates that you can choose from. And then on the right hand side, you also get a live and fully functioning preview of what the selected template will look like on your Squarespace website. Now, bear in mind that none of these templates are final in terms of design. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen. We can also add even more elements to the logo showcase to truly make it your own. But yeah, for now, go ahead and browse through these. Choose the one that you like the most. Click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your logo showcase to your liking. The first thing you want to do is obviously go ahead and add all the logos that you want displayed in your logo showcase. So click on add logos right here, and then simply click browse files and find all the logos that you want to add. In my particular case, I'm going to add just a singular logo because this is only a tutorial video, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, just wait for it to upload. Here it is. It's for Canva. We can also customize the logo size. So for example, this is the default, but if you want to make it larger, you can go ahead and do that by swiping to the right. You can make it smaller by swiping to the left. I'm going to keep it in the middle because it looks very nice and clean. Now, if you want to add a link to this, you can obviously go ahead and do that. You can also add a caption. So if you just say hello, for example, then there will be a caption. So yeah, here it says you can adjust how the logo captions are displayed on the layout page. So yeah, this is why nothing is happening right now. But in my case, I'm going to go ahead and delete this because it's not relevant. Click on done. And then at the bottom here, you will see header and call to action button. So if you want to go ahead and add a header, for example, enable this and obviously add the title and the caption. I'm not going to do that in my case, like I said. And then call to action button. If you want to have this, then obviously go ahead and enable it and set it up. So yeah, once you've done this, on the left hand side, you will see layout and style. These are even more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your logo showcase. So for example, if you don't want the background to be white, click on background and then change this to whatever you want. It could be a color, a gradient, an image, a video. It could have sharp corners for this. You can have rounded corners. It really is up to you. So for example, like this, you can see, and then you can even customize this even more like that. As you can see, the customizations that you can make it truly endless, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through every single feature. I'll leave this up to you to explore, but once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. In my case, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So go ahead, click on publish, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first time that we're creating a widget through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Squarespace website, or if you plan to get more than 200 views on that logo showcase, then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options that you can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for the theme showcase widget that you just created. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in my Squarespace website. I'm going to click on edit to get into the actual editor, and then I want my theme showcase to be at the bottom of this image here. So I'm going to click on that section beneath the image. Then I'm going to add a blank section. And then from this blank section, in the top left corner of it, you see this add block button. Click on it and then search for code, just like that. And then option number 3, click on that. What that's going to do is add this code block to your Squarespace website. From here, what you want to do is simply stretch this to full width like that, and then double click on it. What that's going to do is open up this window here. What you want to do in this window is set the mode to HTML. That should be the default one, but if it isn't, set it to HTML, and then replace the text right here with the code we just copied from Elfsight. Give it a couple of seconds, then close it and save the website, then exit out of it. And as you can see here is our team showcase. This is what it looks like, super nice and clean. Now bear in mind that this free logo showcase widget right here is visible for the free version of it, but if you want to get rid of this, you can go for the lowest plan, which is like $5 a month, and then you can have a super nice and even cleaner looking logo showcase. Don't worry about this panel you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your Squarespace website. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a logo showcase in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.